2024 outdoor patio show is going on now. If you're looking for a hot tub, swim spa, or outdoor kitchen, now is the time. Quick video, up to 70% off. You're not going to get a better deal. 7720 Phillips Highway. Outdoor kitchens, swim spas, even patios and outdoor furniture now in stock. If you're looking for a deal of a lifetime, give us a call or stop on by. Over 100,000 square feet now carrying Ashley Furniture. All of these outdoor kitchens have to go. We're making way for room, so this whole section right here is the lowest prices we've offered in history. It's over 70, 80, and sometimes 90%. We're under cost. We're selling 3 units, 4 units at a time. Everything on the floor has to move. These are one of ones. If you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, no good deal will be refused. Guys, this is a deal that you don't want to miss. Fully warranted, brand new, everything in stock. Once it's gone, it's gone. We have a couple swim spas left in stock, but if you're looking for the best deal pricing with the full warranties, metal frame, fully loaded, now's the time. Outdoor Dream Company, 7720 Phillips Highway. Come and see our new, brand new developed showroom. Hey guys, and we also have hot tubs in stock. We have about 5 or 6 of each model left, but not only are we doing 0% offers now with the approved credit for 72 months, that's right guys, we have 72-month financing now. 0% financing is unheard of. Big offers, $5,000 off all hot tubs right now. Swim spas, we're doing up to $10,000 to $15,000 off swim spas. We have pergolas, outdoor kitchens. If you're going to get an outdoor kitchen, guys, you already know the pricing. This originally at the show, right here, was $17,000 each. Now it's at $14,000 each. It's one of ones. Once it's gone, it's gone. On Phillips Highway, we do ship nationwide, 0% for 72 months. It is the show special, but the show is going on now. We are now doing aquascapes, and then we're also doing patios. Any questions you have, please give us a call. 7720 Phillips Highway. We do ship nationwide. OutdoorDreamCompany.com to see more information or give us a call to better assist you. Have a good day, guys. Bye.